from an album called Heaviness. It's the last song on that album, and it's called Let the Wolves Howl at the Moon.
Took that road to the